Hello Year 1, today in maths we are going to continue with measuring, so thank you to those of you who sent me in their work yesterday. So before we start, can you pause the video to tell your adult what this is called? Okay, well done if you said that it's a balance scale or a scale. And what does it mean when the scales are balanced? When this balance here is straight, what does that mean? Okay, well done if you said that it means that the weights are equal on both sides, the weights are the same. So what we're going to do today is start measuring different objects with cubes in our balance scale. So last week we were measuring length and height with cubes, and today we are measuring weight with cubes. So first we will measure this little teddy bear. So I will put him in this side. And we can see that it is now heavier on this side because there is more weight and it's going down where the teddy bear is. So I will start adding my cubes to see how many cubes he's the same as. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we need some more, 8, and 9, and we'll try one more, and 10, maybe one more, 11, and it's now straight. So the teddy weighs the same as 11 cubes. Okay, and we will take those out and measure something else. Okay, now we are going to measure this candle. So we'll put the candle on this side. Oh, and it's very heavy. And we can add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Need some more. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and now it's straight. So the candle weighs the same as 19 cubes. So what happens if I take one of these cubes out? Tell your adults. So if I take one of these cubes out, it's not balanced anymore, it's not the same, it's going down towards the candle. So if I put it back, now it's equal again. And then if I add one more, what will happen? Pause the video to tell your adult. If I add one more cube, it goes down on this side because now the cubes are heavier than the candle. Now, if you don't have a balance scale at home, you can get another kind of scale that you might have at home, maybe in the kitchen. And first, what you will do is weigh your object. So I'm going to weigh this teddy bear again. And it is 44 grams. So I'm going to write 44 and G because that means grams. Then I'm going to take it off and get some cubes and see how many cubes I need to add to get to 44. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So at 11 it is 43 grams, and if we put another one, so 12, then it's too much, so I'll take one away. And then we can say that 11 cubes are 42 grams. So the teddy bear weighs 11 cubes. Okay, you will have noticed that the small teddy bear and the cubes were not the exact same weight. When we are using non-standard weighing methods, like with cubes or little toys or Lego or pencils, we have to just try to get it as close as we can to the actual weight. So we were very, very close to them being the same. So before you start your learning today, can you write your short date 24/04/2020 and the title Non-Standard Weighing? And for today's lesson, I'd like you to find out how many cubes weigh the same as a piece of fruit, your favourite toy, and then you can choose one more thing in your house to weigh. Remember, if you don't have cubes at home, that's okay. You can use Lego or pencils or any other small objects that you have. And if you do not have a balance scale, that's also okay. You can use the same method that we did with the other scales that you might have in your house. Remember to send them to the Year 1 Grange email so that we can see what you have been weighing. Now, if you finished your work, here is an extension challenge. Timmy says the apple and the peach weigh the same. Do you agree with Timmy? Explain why. So here we have one big red brick, and the red brick weighs the same as 4 little green cubes. Do you agree with Timmy that the apple and the peach weigh the same? Pause the video to work it out and write the answer in your book. Remember to explain why. The answer should be yes, I agree with Timmy because one red brick weighs the same as 4 small green cubes. So the apple and the peach weigh the same. So here you can see that the peach is the same weight as one big red cube, and the apple is the same weight as 4 small green cubes. And remember, the red brick weighs the same as the green cubes. So that means that the apple and the peach do weigh the same. And now another question. How many cubes does the teddy bear weigh? Explain how you know. The teddy bear weighs 5 cubes. I can take 1 cube off of each side and the scale will still be balanced and equal. So if we take 1 cube away from this side here, we will have 5 cubes. And if we take away 1 cube from the teddy bear, they will be the same. Please send your work to the Year 1 email address. Thank you to Omar from CLE class, who has sent in his lovely work from yesterday's maths, and George from CLE class with his non-standard measuring of length and height, and Shreyas from Picasso has also done some lovely measuring work. So well done to all of you.